So it's another day, so you know what that means. Another Microsoft update for Windows that breaks some stuff. So this is Windows 11's newest update, and you know, of course, there's some problems with it. So many people are reporting that the issue is the fact that the update takes like a really long time to download, and then it takes a really long time to install. But at the very end, it just fails the install, and you just get a random error code that nobody seems to know what it means. You know, perhaps Microsoft itself knows what it means, but yeah, that's what users are reporting. And by the way, Microsoft hasn't even acknowledged this bug yet. They have, however, acknowledged a different issue, which is that the update breaks XPS Viewer for some people. So don't worry, only some people are going to be unlucky, not everyone. So apparently it causes issues for non-English languages. You know, it's, again, this is not great. XPS Viewer, I would imagine at this point only companies use something like this. So, you know, obviously there's a big issue if you break a feature that companies use, because then people actually straight up lose money. You know, it's not just like an inconvenience if you break the start button for a lot of people who just want to play some video games or something, but you know, if you break a feature for businesses literally lose money. So yeah, you know, I mean, Microsoft, I guess, you know, they're just like, listen guys, we just gotta keep our streak alive, we just gotta keep things interesting, you know, like, just gotta keep breaking Windows, I guess, you know. But man, like, bro, Microsoft has so much money, like, man, they would need some sort of a, like, paid program or something where, you know, I don't know, they give you like, I don't know how much money, but they would need like a paid program to just like have like a few thousand people with just random computers, random hardware that would just actually install these updates beforehand, so all of these bugs could be found. Because I mean, this is ridiculous. You're the most popular, the most used OS on the planet. You guys make a ton of, like, you literally print money with Windows is the thing. And you know that, like, it's, then you just break something so random like XPS Viewer. It's just, I don't know, it's just so unacceptable. It's like, you know, it's ridiculous. So it's funny. But who knows, maybe, you know, every time Microsoft releases an update, maybe there's another Linux user that comes into the world, and maybe eventually Linux will become the mainstream, take over, but who knows. So good job, Microsoft, on doing what you usually do, I guess.